If you want to know the value of a mother in an Islamic society in the eyes of God, go to Risalatul Huquq Imam Zainul Abidin, the fourth Imam. He says, وَأَمَّا حَقُّ أُمِّكِ. You want to know the right of your mother? She carried you in pain. She delivered you in pain. She was willing to go through thirst to quench you. She was willing to go through every kind of pain so that she can put you in ease. For 9 months she carried you. She was not comfortable in her sleep. She was not comfortable when she walked. She was not comfortable when she was sitting. But she carried you with love. Then Imam Zain al-Abidin says, you can never repay your mother. So pray to Allah. Pray to Allah. There's a prayer that we all ought to make. Pray to Allah to give you the honor and the privilege of being able to seek your mother's happiness and satisfaction. If society looked at mothers in this way and honored women in this way and took care of them financially and told them that this task has been bestowed upon you from God, things would be differently.